Assekuransa is an insurance group specialized in international trade. Thanks to its specialized interdisciplinary team and hand-in-hand with its German strategic partner, it offers an excellent service in cargo insurance and liability insurance for freight forwarders, containers, and bonds. It insures annually more than 70,000 cargo shipments that move to and from any part of the world, goods valued at more than $3 billion. We have the experience and strength necessary to provide, with a background of more than 30 years, the best support for your business. Its founder and current director, Mr. Juan Ángel González Insaurralde, passed on his legacy, training young specialists with a calling for service. As a result, day after day, more than 2,200 companies around the world rely on Assekuransa's advice and financial support, trusting their businesses to Assekuransa. Feel safe with Assekuransa.